Everyone, this is J.Nithish Kumar of 10th Achiever studying in Akshara International School, going to explain my biology art integration project. Art and integration project. It's about the integration between the Telangana and the Haryana on the topics biodiversity, crop, geological location on the maps. What is biodiversity? The variety of plants and animal lives in the world or in a particular habitat, a high level of which is usually considered to be important and desirable. Biodiversity in Telangana. The Telangana State Biodiversity Board is a statutory and autonomous body corporate constituted by the government of the Telangana in the year 2014 under the section 22(1) of the Biodiversity Act. Pursuant of the Notification of Biological Diversity Act 2002 and Rules 2004, the Telangana State Government has issued orders notifying the Telangana State Biological Diversity Rules 2015 under the section 63(1) of the Biological Diversity Act 2002, Geo number 23, Environmental, Forest, Science and Technological for 2 department dated on 14th 5 2015 for implementation of the Act in Telangana State. Now let's see the biodiversity in Haryana. Although Haryana state is a deficient in natural forest, but it has a rich biodiversity which makes it suitable for the variety of the wildlife, particularly local and migratory bird species. Out of nearly 1250 Indian subcontinent, approximately 500 species of the birds are found in Haryana state. Wildlife is the best preserved in the nature habitat. Wildlife wings of the forest department has adopted two-pronged for the wildlife conservation. The number one is protection and the number two is awareness generation. The department is giving emphasis on the habitat protection as well as the protection against poaching. The aim of the wildlife conservation is being carried through in situ and ex situ conservation strategies. For in situ conservation of the wildlife, their natural habitat, 2 national parks, 8 wildlife sanctuaries, and 2 conservation reserves have been established in the state. As a part of ex situ conservation efforts, breeding of red jungle falls is being major near the Panjawur. Red jungle fall is in Shivaliks of the Haryana is considered to be the pure breed, which is also verified by the Central for DNA fingerprints and diagnostic. CDFD Hyderabad with the Gibbs vulture species on the brink of extinction. The department has established vulture conservation and breeding center near Punjab in collaboration with the Royal Society for Protection of Birds and the Zoological Society of London and United Kingdom and Bombay Natural History Society. The department has established deer park in Hisar and mini zoos at Bhiwani, Rohtak and Pili to create awareness about the wildlife conservation. A peacock and chinkara conservation and breeding centers have been established at Jehabua Reserve Forest in Rewari district. Now let's see the crops of Telangana. Rice is a major food crop and staple food of the state. Other important crops are tobacco, mango, cotton and sugar. From sugarcane, agriculture has been chief source of income for the state's economy. Important rivers of India, the Godavari, the Krishna flows through the state providing irrigation. Apart from the major rivers, these are the small rivers as Tungabhadra, Bhima, Dindi, Nirasani, Manjira, Maniya, Pengana, Panitam, Peddava and Telipuru. These are multi-state irrigation projects in development including Godavari River Basin Irrigation Project and Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, the world's highest masonry dam. Now let's see the cropping pattern in Haryana. Cropping pattern and the performance of different districts is growing. Different crops in Haryana are assessed due to the standard measures, namely location quotient, crop volatility index, district versatility index over the period 1991 to 1992 to 2008-2009, the specialization of the maize in Ambla and Yamunanagar, cotton in Hisra, sugarcane in Yamunanagar and Ambla, mustard in Wari and Mahendragarh, gram in Mahendragarh, Bajra in Rewari, and the highest during the study period with the value location quotient to be more than 2. The specialization of the wheat in Panipat, Hisar, Faridabad, rice in Kurukshetra, Kantala, Karnal, Jowar in Rohtak and Faridabad is the highest during the study. period. The highest specialization of the Bajra is observed in Mahendragir, Rewari, and Gurgaon. The increase in the value of the versatility subsidized for majority of districts during 2000 to 2001 to 2008 to 2009 as compared to 1991 to 1992 to 1999 to 2000 implies the move towards specialization. It is established the maize, gram and cotton are highly localized crops. Now let's discuss the geographical location of both the states. First, the Telangana. Geographical location is the state which is located in the Deccan Plateau of the India, lying between 12 degrees 37 minutes north to 19 degrees 54 minutes north latitude and 76 degrees 46 minutes east to 84 degrees 46 minutes east, with an area of 1.5 lakh square kilometers. Telangana is the 29th state of India and located in the south central region of India. Out of the total geographical area, agriculture area consists of 62.4%, forest area consists of 22.51%, land consists of 5.81%, water body consists of 6.03%, and build-up area consists of 3.30%. The state has 2 tiger reserves, 7 wildlife sanctuaries, and 3 national parks with diverse flora and fauna. The state is having rich biological diversity consisting of the 2,800 plant species and 2,879 animal species. The present album contains a visual overview of common rares and engaged flora in Telangana state. Now let's discuss the geographical location of the Haryana. Haryana is landlocked state in India. It is between the 27 degrees 37 minutes north degrees 35 minutes north latitude and between 74 degrees 28 minutes east and 77 degrees 37 minutes east longitude. The total generation geographical area of the state is 42 million hectares, which is 1.4% of the geographical area of the country. The altitude of Haryana varies between 700 feet and 3,600 feet, which is 200 meters to 1,200 meters above the sea level. Haryana has only 4% as compared to the nation 21.85% area under forest. Karo Peak, a 1,467 meters tall mountain peak in Shivalik range of the Greater Himalayan range located near Morini Hills of Panchakula, is the highest point in Haryana. It is extremely hot in summer, around 45 degrees, and mid in winter. The hottest months are May and June, and the coldest months are December and January. The climate is arid and semi-arid, with average rainfall of 354.5 mm. Around 29% of the rainfall is received during the months from July to September, and the remaining rainfall is received during the period of December to February. Thank you everyone for spending your valuable time to me. Thank you everyone for watching this video and spending your valuable time. Hope you all like this video.